Welcome back, Healthy Club fans. Most people think of pumpkin as decoration or dessert, but this seasonal fruit can actually support your hormones, metabolism, and mood. Let's explore how eating pumpkin and its seeds can align your body with the rhythm of the seasons. Many people see the pumpkin as little more than a festive ornament. It sits on our porches, carved with a cheerful grin, signaling the arrival of autumn. We associate it with sugary pies and sweetened lattes, a treat to be enjoyed on special occasions. But this seasonal gourd is far more than a simple decoration or a dessert ingredient. It is a powerhouse of nutrition, perfectly designed by nature to support our bodies through the changing seasons. The vibrant orange flesh and the humble seeds within it contain compounds that can help regulate our hormones, stabilize our metabolism, even improve our mood and improve our sleep. This is not folklore. It is a matter of simple nutritional science. The transition from summer to fall brings shorter days and cooler temperatures, which can have a profound impact on our internal biology. Our hormone levels fluctuate, our energy needs shift, and our immune systems prepare for the challenges of winter. It is during this critical time that nature provides us with foods like pumpkin, packed with the specific nutrients our bodies crave. This essay aims to reframe your understanding of this common fall vegetable. We will explore the scientific evidence behind its benefits, moving it from the dessert table to the center of your plate as a functional, health-promoting food. We will make it clear how simple additions to your diet can have a significant effect. We will look at the distinct nutritional profiles of the pumpkin's flesh and its seeds. The flesh offers a wealth of vitamins and fiber, while the seeds provide essential minerals and amino acids that are often lacking in the modern diet. By understanding how these nutrients work within the body, we can begin to see pumpkin not as a treat, but as a tool for better health. The goal is to provide clear, evidence-based information that empowers you to make healthier choices this season. Forget the marketing gimmicks and the sugar-laden snacks. The real magic of pumpkin lies in its natural, unprocessed form. This essay will break down the science into simple, understandable terms. We will discuss specific nutrients like beta-carotene, magnesium, and tryptophan, and explain their roles in supporting everything from your vision to your hormonal balance. We will also offer practical, easy-to-follow advice on how to incorporate more pumpkin and pumpkin seeds into your daily meals without relying on sugar or excess salt. The information presented here is meant to be a guide, helping you to harness the full potential of this incredible seasonal food. The brilliant orange color of pumpkin flesh is a clear indicator of its most abundant nutrient, beta-carotene. Beta-carotene is a powerful antioxidant that the body converts into vitamin A. This essential vitamin plays a critical role in maintaining healthy vision, particularly in low light. Vitamin A is also fundamental for skin health, as it supports cell growth and repair, helping keep our skin resilient against dry, cold autumn air. Vitamin A also supports a robust immune system, strengthening protective barriers in the respiratory tract and the gut. Beyond beta-carotene, pumpkin is an excellent source of vitamin C. Vitamin C is another potent antioxidant that protects our cells from free radical damage. It's essential for producing collagen, the protein that gives skin structure, and it helps wounds heal. Vitamin C supports immune cells that fight infections. Pumpkin flesh is also a good source of potassium, an important mineral and electrolyte. Potassium regulates fluid balance, nerve signals, and muscle contractions, including the heart. A potassium-rich diet can counteract sodium, supporting healthy blood pressure. Pumpkin is packed with dietary fiber. Fiber promotes digestive health, helps regular bowel movements, and feeds beneficial gut bacteria. High fiber also slows sugar absorption into the bloodstream, which promotes stable blood sugar, increases fullness, and aids appetite control. Pumpkin is nutrient-dense, yet low in calories. 1 cup cooked contains more than a day's worth of vitamin A and significant vitamin C, potassium, and fiber, all for fewer than 50 calories. The antioxidants help lower systemic inflammation, a root cause of many chronic diseases. In essence, pumpkin flesh is a nutritional powerhouse supporting vision, skin, immunity, and digestion with every spoonful. The hidden strength of pumpkin seeds. While the flesh of the pumpkin gets most of the attention, its seeds, often discarded, are a concentrated source of powerful nutrients. These small but mighty seeds, also known as pepitas, are particularly rich in minerals that are crucial for hormonal health and metabolism. One of the most significant is magnesium, a mineral involved in over 300 biochemical reactions in the body. Magnesium is essential for nerve function, muscle relaxation, and maintaining a steady heartbeat. It plays a key role in energy production and blood sugar control. Many people have insufficient magnesium levels, and pumpkin seeds are one of the best plant-based sources available. Another critical mineral found in abundance in pumpkin seeds is zinc. Zinc is absolutely vital for a healthy immune system. It supports the development and function of immune cells. It is a cornerstone of hormonal health. Zinc is necessary for proper thyroid function, the master controller of metabolism. It supports reproductive health, and it helps the body manage its response to stress. A deficiency in zinc can lead to impaired immunity, low energy, and hormonal imbalances. That makes pumpkin seeds an important addition to the diet, especially during the stressful transition into the colder months. Pumpkin seeds are also a good source of plant-based iron. Iron is a component of hemoglobin, which carries oxygen from the lungs to the body. Adequate iron prevents fatigue and helps maintain high energy levels. They are a good source of plant protein. Plant protein helps with tissue repair and contributes to feelings of satiety, which helps manage appetite and prevent overeating. Protein plus healthy fats makes pumpkin seeds a satisfying, energy-sustaining snack. Far better than a carbohydrate-heavy, processed alternative. Finally, pumpkin seeds contain tryptophan. The body uses tryptophan to produce serotonin, which helps regulate mood and promotes calm and happiness. As daylight wanes in the fall, serotonin production can dip. Dietary sources of tryptophan become more important. The body can convert serotonin into melatonin, which regulates the sleep-wake cycle. Eating pumpkin seeds in the evening may support better sleep quality. Better sleep benefits hormone regulation and overall health. So, keep the seeds. When considering how to eat pumpkin seeds, the question of whether to consume them raw or roasted often arises. Both forms offer nutritional benefits, but there is a key difference related to nutrient absorption. Raw pumpkin seeds, like many nuts, seeds, and legumes, contain a compound called phytic acid. Phytic acid can act as an anti-nutrient by binding to minerals like zinc, iron, and magnesium in the digestive tract, which can reduce their absorption by the body. While this is not a major concern for those eating a varied and nutrient-rich diet, it can be a factor for individuals who rely heavily on plant-based foods for their mineral intake. This is where the process of roasting comes in. Applying heat helps to break down a significant portion of the phytic acid in the seeds. This reduction in phytic acid effectively unlocks the minerals, making them more bioavailable. A light roasting is all that is needed. Over-roasting or burning the seeds should be avoided, as high temperatures can damage delicate healthy fats and degrade beneficial compounds. Another simple technique to reduce phytic acid is soaking. Soaking the raw seeds for several hours before eating or roasting initiates germination and activates enzymes that break down phytic acid. After soaking, dehydrate at low temperature or proceed with a light roasting. For many people, simply choosing roasted seeds is the most convenient and effective way to ensure maximum mineral benefit, particularly for zinc and magnesium that are so vital for hormonal health. When preparing your own roasted seeds, use minimal oil and salt. A light toss in a small amount of a healthy oil like olive or avocado oil is sufficient to help them crisp up. While a pinch of salt can enhance their flavor, it is easy to go overboard. Many commercially prepared seeds are excessively salted, which can contribute to high blood pressure. Roasting them at home puts you in complete control of the ingredients, ensuring you get a delicious, crunchy, and nutrient-packed snack without the unwanted additives. The nutrients found in pumpkin and its seeds are not just beneficial in a general sense. They play specific and direct roles in supporting our endocrine system and metabolic health. Let's look closely at magnesium and zinc, the two standout minerals in pumpkin seeds. These minerals are cofactors for enzymes involved in the production and conversion of thyroid hormones. The thyroid gland produces hormones that regulate the speed of your metabolism. If your thyroid is underactive, your metabolism can slow down, leading to weight gain, fatigue, and feeling cold. Providing your body with adequate magnesium and zinc is like giving your thyroid the essential tools it needs to do its job properly. These minerals also support the health of your adrenal glands. The adrenals are responsible for producing stress hormones like cortisol. Chronic stress can deplete magnesium and zinc, leading to persistent tiredness and difficulty coping with stress. Replenishing these minerals through foods like pumpkin seeds can help nourish the adrenals, improving resilience to stress. When your stress response is balanced, other hormone systems tend to function more smoothly as well. Blood sugar and the reproductive cycle. The fiber in pumpkin flesh also has a profound effect on hormone balance, primarily through its impact on blood sugar. High-fiber foods release sugars slowly and steadily. This prevents the sharp spikes and crashes that occur after refined carbs. Spikes trigger large insulin releases. Chronically elevated insulin can contribute to insulin resistance, weight gain, and disruptions in other hormones. Finally, the tryptophan-serotonin-melatonin pathway is a perfect example of how food directly influences our mood and sleep, which are intrinsically linked to our hormones. Tryptophan from pumpkin seeds is converted into serotonin in the brain, which can elevate mood and reduce anxiety. As evening approaches, the brain converts serotonin into melatonin, signaling sleep. Quality sleep is non-negotiable for a healthy metabolism and balanced hormones. During deep sleep, the body repairs itself, regulates appetite hormones, and manages cortisol levels. By supporting this pathway, pumpkin seeds contribute to a positive feedback loop of better mood, deeper sleep, and a more balanced hormonal state. So, that's how these nutrients really work together. Incorporating pumpkin and its seeds into your daily meals is simpler than you might think and does not require complicated recipes. One of the easiest methods is to make a simple pumpkin soup. Sauté onion, sauté garlic. Add a can of plain pumpkin puree and 2 cups of roasted pumpkin cubes and cover with vegetable broth. Let it simmer for about 10 minutes, then use an immersion blender to blend it until it is smooth and creamy. Season with black pepper, cinnamon, nutmeg, and ginger for a comforting and nutritious meal that is ready in under 20 minutes. Another simple way is roasting. Cut small pumpkin or butternut squash into 1-inch cubes, toss with a teaspoon of olive oil and herbs, and spread on a baking sheet. Roast at 400 degrees Fahrenheit, 200 Celsius until tender and slightly caramelized, about 20 to 25 minutes. Eat as a side, add to salads, or mix with whole grains like quinoa or brown rice for a hearty, balanced meal. Pumpkin puree is remarkably versatile and can be added to many foods you already eat. Stir a few tablespoons into your morning oatmeal or porridge along with a dash of cinnamon. You can also add half a cup of puree to a smoothie. Blend with a banana, a cup of plant-based milk, and a scoop of protein powder for quick recovery or breakfast on the go. Use puree as a substitute for cream or cheese in savory sauces. Its thick, creamy texture enriches pasta sauces or casseroles while adding nutrients and reducing fat. Do not forget the seeds. Roasted pumpkin seeds are the perfect crunchy topping for yogurt, soup, or a fresh green salad. They also make an excellent standalone snack. Instead of reaching for chips or crackers, keep a small container of lightly roasted seeds at your desk or in your bag. This simple swap provides sustained energy from protein and healthy fats, rather than the quick, fleeting energy from refined carbohydrates, helping you stay focused and full between meals. So, try making that simple change this week. While pumpkin is a wonderfully healthy food, its benefits can be easily negated by how it is prepared and consumed. The most common mistake is relying on sugary, commercially produced pumpkin products: pumpkin spice latte, pre-made pumpkin pie, pumpkin-flavored muffin. These are often loaded with refined sugar, unhealthy fats, and artificial flavors. A single serving can contain more sugar than a recommended day's worth. Sugar overload spikes your blood sugar, promotes inflammation, and cancels out pumpkin's health benefits. Always read labels. Watch for sugar as a top ingredient. Another frequent error: oversalting pumpkin seeds. A heavy hand with salt turns a snack into something that raises blood pressure and causes water retention. Aim to enhance the seed's natural, nutty flavor. A very light sprinkle is enough. Be wary of packaged commercial seeds, often coated in excess salt or unhealthy oils. Roast your own to control ingredients. When buying pumpkin puree, check the can carefully. Stores stock 100% pumpkin puree and pumpkin pie filling side by side. Packaging can look nearly identical. Pie filling is pre-sweetened with sugar or high-fructose corn syrup, plus added spices. Choose the can that lists just one ingredient: pumpkin. Opt for organic when possible. Don't assume pumpkin spice means healthy. Many contain no pumpkin, only synthetic flavorings and spices. The real benefits come from the whole food, the pumpkin flesh and the seeds, not artificial flavoring. To reap the rewards, eat the pumpkin itself. Stick to the real thing this season. As we have seen, the humble pumpkin is far more than a symbol of autumn or a base for dessert. Pumpkin pie versus roasted savory pumpkin. It is a seasonal superfood, uniquely equipped to support our health during the transition into the colder, darker months of the year. Its vibrant flesh delivers a powerful dose of beta-carotene, vitamin C, potassium, and fiber. These nutrients work together to support our vision, strengthen our immune defenses, protect our skin, and ensure our digestive system runs smoothly. It provides this wealth of nutrition while remaining low in calories, making it a perfect food for maintaining a healthy weight and stable energy levels. At the same time, the often overlooked pumpkin seeds offer a concentrated source of magnesium, zinc, iron, and plant-based protein. The tryptophan they contain provides the raw material for producing serotonin and melatonin. By simply roasting these seeds, we can enhance their flavor and make their valuable minerals more available for our bodies to use. Eating pumpkin and its seeds is a simple, effective way to align our nutrition with the needs of the season. Embrace the whole food and avoid added sugars and excess salt found in many commercial products. By making your own soups, roasting your own pumpkin cubes, and snacking on home-roasted seeds, you can harness the full spectrum of benefits. So next time you see a pumpkin, think beyond the pie. It's a seasonal superfood that fuels your energy, mood, and hormones. Try adding pumpkin or its seeds this week and feel the seasonal shift in your body. If you enjoyed this, like, share, and subscribe for more science-backed nutrition videos.